When you get a new tool, you got to make sure it's going to fit in your shop. I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, and I'm going to show you how to measure the footprint of a wood lathe. The footprint is the widest point of the base of the lathe. One thing to keep in mind when you're measuring your footprint is if you're looking for just the total space it takes up, you also have to allow for the motor. The motor generally hangs off the back of the lathe, and that's going to take up a little bit more space. All you're going to do is you take your tape, measure the width of the legs from side to side, and then measure from front to back on the legs, and that's going to give you the footprint itself. If you want to allow room for the motor as well, there are a couple ways you can do that. Depending on how fussy you want to get, you can use a level to make sure you're straight up and down, get a nice clean measurement that way, or you can just kind of eyeball it and add that distance as well. So when you want to make sure your space is big enough, check your width and your length, add a little extra for your motor, and you're good to go. I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, the fine art of furniture making.